சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Ibrahim. I am working in this company since long time. This is one health plant is one of the leading good company in Kuwait. Mostly we are care about customer care about like vitamins, minerals, proteins, everything. For example, we are talking. I am talking about the fat burner. This one. Fat burner, one of the fat burner containing name is Thermofuel from the company Nutrobio company. It helps to burn the fat, boost your metabolism, also it give more energy also. If you take this one at the same time, you have to take with how to be diet with this modern exercise, take this one, all work together. You can see the difference, very fast result. It helps to burn the fat very fast. This one fat burner, this one Thermofuel. And then we're talking about supplement like vitamins, multivitamins for man. This is Active Man, excellent multivitamin for man. Just you take just only one capsule daily. This is containing vitamins, all the vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6 with minerals, with antioxidant, with the enzyme, with the everything. It's support for the hair, support for the skin, support for the prostate. So every day you take one capsule per day. This is 90 capsule per day, 90 capsule. This is for the 3-month supplement. We are giving very good discount of 30% off offer. This after price is around 11 kd to difference this one. Same multivitamin also for female multivitamin also. This is containing iron, folic acid, zinc. This is essential supplement for the female, support for the hair, also for increased hemoglobin in the body. This one, this also 90 capsule, just one capsule per day. This is 3-month supplement. This is after discount 10.5 kd multivitamin for woman. This one. Also we have kids vitamins. Also same thing for the children's going for the school. They feel if you take this supplement, you feel active. It will improve the memories, everything. This is for protein, whey protein, gold standard whey protein. This is the number one, the worldwide in the number one brand. This one. This is containing low fat, low sugar, low carbohydrate, containing glutamine with BCA, everything inside. This is people want to be lean muscle. This one is health. This one, the gold standard whey protein. The same company has also have isolate one also. This is everything zero fat, zero sugar, zero carb. This also those people want to be fit. Those people want to be lean muscle. This one is helps better. This one. Gold standard isolate. Also we have the casein protein. This is a casein protein, slow release protein, especially if you take before bedtime. This is retain the body long time. This one sustained release protein, casein. This one. Then also we are carrying also the beef protein. Beef protein with zero fat, with zero cholesterol, with zero sugar, with gluten free. This is not only for the protein, also containing creatine, BCA, everything. It also helps to build up muscle. This one. Also one more product called IsoPure. This is everything zero carb, zero sugar, zero fat with the vitamins. This is also people has sometimes people has a lactose intolerance. This is helps this one. This is zero lactose, gluten free. Support for people, even not only bodybuilder, anyone can take this one, because this even people done operation. This protein this one helps. This one IsoPure. Also on PHV Gateway. This is not only a protein, also helps to bonding the fat, containing CLA, L-carnitine, green tea, everything. So you can, if you take before exercise or before meal, every day one scoop, it helps to not only bond the fat, also give the lean muscle. This one, Gateway, this one. To gain mass, they need more calories. This one is serious mass. Contain this is 50 gram protein, 250 gram carbohydrate with creatine, including vitamin also. This one, so it helps to putting weight at the same time build up mass. Those people, thin people, this is advisable. This is gain weight at the same time build up muscle also. Serious mass. This one. This is the price is after discount is 25 kd. This one, serious mass. This one. This is creatine. This is the creatine, yes, especially the bodybuilder need to build up muscle. At the same time, give energy also. The creatine monohydrate. This 5 gram creatine. You can either take before exercise or after workout also. Take 1 scoop, 5 grams every day. This one. 5 to 10 gram every day. How to take this one? Creatine monohydrate, micronized creatine monohydrate. This one. Another one is the BCA. The optimum nutrition BCA, especially the during workout, you can take this one. 5 grams BCA. This one, it helps to build up muscle and the size, endurance, recovery, everything. BCA. This one. Also the glutamine powder, also for the people want to retain the muscle for the recovery. This one, glutamine will help. This one, just you take after workout, only 1 scoop. You can take alone or you can add with protein, with 5 gram. 5 gram glutamine with protein, it helps to build up muscle. This one, glutamine. You have a supplement called green foods. This is containing all the greens. All the greens support for our health. This one, natural health. This one, ghost. This one. Also the omega-3 fish oil from Optimum Nutrition. This is excellent supplement. People, good for the cholesterol, good for the heart disease, good for the brain, good for some memory booster, also good for the bone, good for the eyes. Take every day 1 capsule daily. This is just 100 capsule. Take every day 1 capsule. This is just 12 kd for more than 3 months supplement. This one, fish oil, Optimum Nutrition fish oil.
Okay.
General சொல்றேன். Okay. Generally we also selling testosterone booster, growth booster with for example this one and the test charge. This is a supplement for increase testosterone. At the same time estrogen reduce in your body. It helps to build up muscle. At the same time burning the fat. This one. Also the L-carnitine, this also for the fat burner. Whatever the fat is there, turn to energy. It helps to burning the fat. This one, L-carnitine, just before exercise, just 2 capsule daily. Take L-carnitine, 500 milligram. This one, each capsule 500 milligram. You can take up to 2 to 4 capsule per day. This one, L-carnitine. The price is around after discount 14 kd. This one, 20% discount, 14 kd L-carnitine. Also this is ZMA. This is natural testosterone booster. This is containing zinc, magnesium, B6. This is especially if you take before bedtime 3 capsule, it helps to increase testosterone naturally without any side effect. This one, ZMA capsule. This one. Actually, this company health plan is giving. We are satisfied with the customer because we are giving very good discount. Now the discount is going on like 50% discount, 40% discount, 30% discount. We will get very good discount. This company. Also we have protein from the plant. This is not from the milk, from the plant. Those people has lactose intolerance. This one is health with the zero fat, with the zero sugar. Yes, it is also for the keto friendly. For people who want to be diet, this plant-based protein is excellent work for people. Those people are saying lactose intolerance. This one, Sun Warrior protein blend. This is we are giving the 50% discount. This is price almost only 10 kd only. Before was 18 kd. Now after discount, 10 kd only. This one, Sun Warrior protein warrior brand. This one, probiotics. This one, probiotic. This is a probiotic, excellent for supplement. This is nothing but this friendly bacteria. This is good for our guts. You have any stomach issue, you have constipation, you have digestive issue. This one is helps, especially if you take either before bedtime or in the empty stomach. Excellent supplement for our guts. Or if you take this one, our stomach become gentle on stomach. This one. This is friendly bacteria. Those people are taking too much antibiotic. This one is helps. This one everybody take one capsule daily. This one. This price is around 20 kd. We have different strength. This is 80 billion. We have 30 billion, 50 billion, 100 billion. This is 80 billion. This one. This is a supplement. This is for the PhD protein. This one. This is for healthy snacks. So those things you can use as a meal replacement. Whenever you feel hungry, you can instead of taking normal chocolate, this one helps because it's containing a very low sugar, very low fat, containing high protein. This one, this is healthy snack. This one, protein bar. This is just one carry to defeats this one. PhD smart protein. This one. என் பேர் இப்ராஹிம், முகமது இப்ராஹிம். அந்த கம்பெனி நம்ம 20 வருஷமாக இருக்கிறேன். இந்த ஃபீல்டில் இருக்கேன் நான். உங்களுக்கு எந்த டவுட் இருந்தாலும் வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து அதை வந்து அப்டேட் பண்ணுறேன். நம்பர், டெலிஃபோன் நம்பர் அப்டேட் பண்ணுறேன். நீங்கள் அந்த நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணி நீங்கள் வந்து எந்த கொஸ்டினும் கேட்கலாம். நீங்கள் சப்ளிமெண்ட்டும் சரி, இந்த வைட்டமின்ஸ் சரி, எந்த பர்சனல் ஹெல்த் இஷ்யூ இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் தாராளமாக என்கிட்ட வந்து ஃபோன் அடித்து கேட்கலாம். நாங்கள் கீழே வந்து டெலிஃபோன் நம்பர் போடுறோம், நீங்கள் ஃபோன் அடித்து கேட்டுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். ஓகேங்களா? இதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த நம்பருக்கு நான் கீழே போட்டிருக்கிற நம்பருக்கு வந்து நீங்கள் காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணி கால் பேசலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு உங்கள் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் ஆல். ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அவர் ரீனா குட்டி சேனல்.
தேங்க்யூ இப்ராஹிம்.
தேங்க்யூ. நீங்கள் எனக்கு வந்து
This chewing or chewing? Sorry, this chewing?
tablet, sir.
Tablet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same.
This is 10,000. This is 5,000. This is 5,000. This is 10,000. This is 5,000. This is 10,000.
Just the
Different. This one is extra vitamin.
this extra
Vitamin. This is only biotin itself.
Where's the vitamin D here?
No.
Vitamin E.
Vitamin E? Yeah, they're near vitamin E liquid one. I'll show you. And Solar is better form, this one. Solar is better than
But the
this one.
brand, stronger.
the stronger one compared to Solar. கம்பெனி யார் கொடுக்குறா
இல்லை இல்லை யூடியூப்பில் போட்டுருக்கு
நான் யூடியூப் போகிறக்கா
So this, I think 30% discount.
30% discount. This is 40.
40.
Yes.
This brand good. This brand Sunday.
The Sunday also good company, sir. Gluten free, soya free, good result from the customer.
You know, this, for example, this vitamin C 1000.
Yes.
Exactly 1000.
Yeah, because
yeah,
this is the form of vitamin C like ascorbic acid. This is ascorbic acid.
This Asker.
Yes, not bioflavonoids. Some
So
people
which
not
better, ascorbic?
ascorbic acid. Okay, some people not prefer ascorbic acid. Some of the vitamin gastric, you know, make it gas. So this is sometimes
Different values.
better than this one, yes, sir.
Which I have list.
Yes.
I have list. I will
Okay, go ahead.
This is not chewing, yeah?
Tablet, sir.
Tablet. Because before I saw here a big one. I want vitamin D 1000.
1000.
Yeah, because 1000 daily, 5000 weekly.
Yes, sir. This is 1000. Yes. Yes, one capsule. What we want, one capsule. A small capsule, yes. This here is small.
But there's other brand.
No, all this brand, sir.
Just the vitamin D, this brand.
This brand capsules.
How much is discount?
This one is 30% discount.
30?
Yes. This is soft gel, this is capsule.
And because this is first time.
Sunday capsule form. This is tablet form. This is zinc gluconate. Here.
Essential zinc and zinc citrate.
For the absorption of this better absorption compared to citrate. This is zinc gluconate.
Zinc gluconate.
And this zinc citrate.
Because before they said citrate better than total.
No, zinc gluconate also for the better absorption. This is tablet form. This is capsule form. Some people not that happy with the capsules tablet. So sometimes very hard to digest it. Whereas capsule is easily digested. This also for this. Okay.
بدي اجيب لك هذا يشيل بس تلاقي بعت لي لينك ها؟
What do you get?
نعم
Yes, right.
I want this one. This one.
This with no offer, 30% discount.
50%.
Yes, that is more than.
Perimak.
Those are the people who take off the